I grew up in New York City. I grew up in the hood, and we don't know nothing about squash. The game of squash. So I can make a case for why having questions about the game of squash and not culturally competent. I get that. That said, if you give me a heads up that my kids need to know about squash, I'll be damned if I'm not going to teach my kids about squash, because what I'm more afraid of is that you think my kids can't learn it. I know there need to be changes made, but my boots are on the ground working to show that if we leverage our adult talent the right way, all kids can flourish.